Milli Savunma Bakanı Yaşar Güler, 36. NATO Zirvesi kapsamında inşası süren Ay Yıldız Müşterek Karargahı'nda savunma bakanlarına resepsiyon verdi. Konukları kapıda karşılayan Güler, ardından bakanlarla Cumhurbaşkanlığı Külliyesi'ndeki çalışma yemeğine geçti. Yemeğe Genelkurmay Başkanı da katıldı.
Dear ministers, distinguished guests, it's a great pleasure for us to be hosting you this evening in our newly built Ay Yıldız, the Crescent and the Star complex. I welcome each and every one you with utmost respect. With this design inspired by the Crescent and the Star in Turkey's national flag, the Ay Yıldız complex brings our entire defense and military command under one roof. This new headquarters complex will be fully operational soon, and it will be take its place among the largest military headquarters in the world. By bringing the General Staff and the Single Service Command headquarters together, we aim to increase our joint operation capability to highest level and to gain maximum pace and efficiency through speeding up bureaucratic process. The security of headquarters will be provided with top-level air and land defense measures within the context of steel dome strategy and cutting-edge electronic safety systems. This complex is equipped with smart and sustainable construction technologies to ensure uninterrupted communication, command and control under both crisis and conflict circumstances. Being more than just a modern headquarters facility, it stands as a physical symbol of Turkey's consolidated, agile, and forward-looking defense posture. I am confident that this brand new headquarters will be a place where the work will be carried out for defense and security of both our country and the alliance as a whole. On the occasion of this maiden event at this new headquarters, I would like to once again express my pleasure in hosting you here. Thank you.